Oi, 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 sawadekap. Shankiting kon, chalopop noy, 999. Oi, oi, oi. Shout out. Petunilo, Akaso CP. Thank you very much for watching this my kind of video. Okay, I would answer your question. Where they come from? The word Laoy. Yes, in ancient time, there was a couple surname Lao. That guy is Lao.
Huh?
And then the Chinese girl is Oi. So they discovered the couple in their backyard mini vegetable, and then they make a unique healthy food ingredients like vegetables and plenty of seasoning.
Wow.
And then there's knowing what is the name of that kind of food, and they think the better name of that food, because they are partners and couples, they name Lao Oi. Now you know. Take note. Pataki!